Alright guys, today we're going to talk about CPR for infants, which is babies that are 1 year and younger. Now, there are three main reasons why you need to do CPR on babies. First of all, if they were choking and they became unconscious, you need to start CPR. If they have pulse less than 60 and they're not breathing and they're turning blue, you need to do CPR. And then lastly, if they have no pulse whatsoever and they're not breathing, you need to do CPR on them. Now, to do CPR, simply put 2 fingers on their chest, just below the nipple line, so just about there. Just make sure it's hard surface under your fingers. If it's soft, you're too far down on their belly. So using 2-finger technique, you're going to do compressions at the rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute, or you can use 2 thumbs encircling technique. So you're basically grabbing the baby like this and using 2 thumbs to do CPR on them. Either or technique works. And once you've done your 30 compressions, you need to get 2 breaths if you're by yourself. If you have 2 responders, switch the compressions to ventilation ratio to 15 to 2. So you're doing 15 compressions and somebody else is giving 2 breaths. You give breaths, so you simply put your mouth on top of their nose and mouth, head, tilt, chin lift, and remember not to hyperextend their neck. And keep in mind, you don't want to get too much volume either. Hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.